kind of think it does taste like a
I
brat.
was gonna say,
Right?
I'm getting some brat
Yeah.
tendencies there.
It's good.
Would say
I
that's
don't
probably
taste any
accurate.
beer in here, so.
That's good. There's just like the slightest amount of heat.
It's tasty. Would eat again.
I think
Right on.
whatever he does to the actual meat itself is so good.
Yeah.
It doesn't really need anything extra.
I just want to get overwhelmed by heat. It's not happening yet.
Woo, feeling it. Like it.
First one, the bratwurst one, it's a little more unique.
Yeah, it tastes good, but I liked the original better.
Yeah, no, good texture.
This is my favorite. That's good.
It was good.